just trying to, so today I'm kind of sad because it's October and it's really hot, and I feel like because it's so hot I don't have cool like fall clothes. Like I have fall clothes to keep me warm, so here I am still in summer wear with summer colors, not living my best October life. But that's okay because today we have a Glossybox here to save the day. So today we're gonna be unboxing the October Glossybox that I got in the mail. So for those of you who don't know, Glossybox is $21 every month. In it you get 4 to 5 beauty samples from luxury brands. Yeah, last month my Glossybox beat my BoxyCharm. Like Glossybox totally won out and beat my BoxyCharm. So I do feel kind of excited to see what's in my BoxyCharm for this month, and kind of even more excited to see what's in my Glossybox, because maybe, just maybe, Glossybox is going to be BoxyCharm again, but I don't know. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is from Georgette Klinger Rose Clarifying Toner for all skin types. First of all, I have never heard of this brand before, Georgette Klinger, but Rose Clarifying Toner. Not to mention it's in pretty rose gold packaging. I don't know if you guys can see this, but like that's so cute looking. The only complaint that I have about Glossybox is all of their stuff gets really, really dirty. Like the ink and the dust from these black paper snakes rub off on everything, and then it kind of gets all over the products. That's really the only complaint that I have about their packaging. Okay, so we're gonna lift this toner. Ooh, it smells like rose, but it smells like a... It definitely smells like rose, but it doesn't smell like rose and herbal. It smells like rose and sweet, kind of like it's supposed to be like rose perfume rather than being like, oh, like rose spa. It smells like this is supposed to be like a perfume. Let's see what else we got in here. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Invisi Bobby Spiral Hair Ring meets Scrunchie. I don't know if you have ever been on my channel before, or if you haven't seen one of my videos in a while. I shaved most of my hair off. I just have like a little, enough to do a little poof right here. So I can't really put my hair up into anything. However, this is really cute. Like, look, it's like velvet and it's like soft pink, and that is literally so cute. Next thing that I'm pulling out is from Nails Ink. I thought I need to go to bed. I thought this was Naslinic. I swear to God it said Naslinic, but it says Nails Ink London. So I'm assuming this is a nail polish. It looks like a pearlescent pink pearlescent nail polish. The shade name is Victory Place. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this fun box. It says Toka Montauk Salt Air Cucumber. Okay, first of all, the packaging makes me feel like this cost like $8 million. So yeah, like look at that. Doesn't that look rich and expensive and overly priced? Haha. Salt Air Cucumber, retreat to where the sound meets the sea. Okay, what is it though? And then it says Candelina. If I got a candle, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be really mad if this is a candle, because I'm like, that doesn't fit at, oh, it's a candle, I'm mad. Why, that doesn't even fit? That doesn't even fit. They better have a good explanation for this. Glossybox, I did all this talking out for you. And I was like, oh my God, you guys are so great. And then you just sent me a candle. Like, what? Why did you send me a candle? That's not a beauty product. Okay, maybe they're like, oh, it's luxury and it helps you like take care of yourself. And yeah, whatever. I bought a beauty box. I don't use candles. They scare me. I'm always afraid of burning my house down. Okay, so it says... first of all, I would like to make a statement that the glass on my candle is chipped. It says Toka Montauk, and then do you guys see right here, my glass is chipped, so it broke a little bit. And then, yeah, okay, let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like cucumber. This actually smells like freshly diced cucumber instead of like the artificial smelling cucumber. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Supreme Revitalizing Mask, Intense Moisture for all hair types. So this is from Shoe Passion for Life. The packaging, I thought it was gonna be like a gold peel off mask, but it's a hair mask. So again, need that. My hair is really, really dry from all the damage that I've done to it. So like, that's a fun packaging. Just took a little bit out and I put it on the back of my hand, and I really, for some reason, was expecting it to be gold, but it's not. It smells nice. This definitely, oh, it's thick. Girl, it's thick. It's, okay. I feel, I'm putting it in the back of my hair now, like, it's gonna stay in until I wash my hair tonight. Okay, so I feel like all of the scents for hair care products that I've received from Glossybox have a very borderline masculine scent. Like, it's not my favorite thing. Like, I also received a scalp detox from them, and I put that in my hair. My mom's like, are you wearing men's cologne because it smells like you have men's cologne in it? And I was like, no, that's the scalp detox I was using. Same thing here. This smells like a cologne my boyfriend wears. Okay, so I'm not in love with their scent selection for hair products. It's a hair mask. There's a decent amount in here. If you're just to put this on from like middle to shaft, for me personally, this is gonna last like 5 to maybe 10 uses. If you have longer hair, obviously it's not gonna last as long, but I don't know, I hope this isn't more than like $8-9, because I feel like this is gonna be really expensive, and it's kind of small feeling for a full-size product. Last thing that I have in my October Glossybox is this fun paint looking tube. It's bright pink. First of all, I love bright pink. So this is Royal Apothic Scrubby Sugar Lip Scrub. This says extract of fig. I've never tried fig before. For those of you who don't know, I have a cruelty-free and vegan cosmetic company, and I have over 136 flavored and edible lip scrubs. Like, all of my lip scrubs are edible, they're flavored, so I have 136 different flavors. Fig is not one of them. So I'm gonna see what it's all about. Look, it's literally like a tube of paint. This is so fun. Okay, so, oh, it's just coming out. It's just coming out. Okay, let's see what you about. Oh, it smells like fig. Oh, this is something different and exciting. Okay, so I have lipstick on. It's actually lip gloss. Oh, and look, it's transferring. So now we have to scrub it off. So can I eat this? Is this edible? I guess if I die, you guys now know that it's because I had this Royal Apothic fig lip scrub. Oh no! I don't think I'm supposed to eat that. No! Oh, I might die now. Oh, it's burning. Why is it burning? No, this is horrible. This was not how this was supposed to go. It was supposed to taste like fig, and that is all that was supposed to happen. Oh man, it is really burning the back of my throat. I hope I'm not having an allergic reaction, because I am very allergic to latex and citrus, and my dumb butt didn't even check to see if this product had either of those things. Okay, so I'm not dead yet. I may die later, but now you guys know. Okay, so it was very oily feeling. I put foundation back on, so that's why my lips look a little white. It's because of my foundation. So it was a little oily, which I personally don't mind. My formula for my lip scrubs is drier, but you know, everybody has different personal preferences. I liked how fine the sugar was. I think the packaging is so freaking cute. It smells like fig. It doesn't taste like fig. It tastes like burning and fire. Okay, so I'm actually really interested to see all of the details on all of these products, because I feel like this box is a hot mess. I'm not very impressed or happy with this box, so we're gonna see what it's all about. Okay, so this is $14. This is 0.63 ounces. This is a full-size product. I am not having an allergic reaction, like I'm good, but something in this like burned my mouth and my lips, and not my lips, I'm sorry. It burned my mouth and my throat when I ingested it. On my lips, it felt fine, and it didn't feel like a red hot cinnamon or like cinnamon oil type of burning. Like, it was burning as in painful. So this is 0.63 ounces for $14. My lip scrubs are 2 ounces. So you get 2 full ounces for $5. You can get 1 lip scrub for $5, or you can get 2 lip scrubs for $8. I have 136 flavor. All of them are flavored. They're safe to eat. They're non-toxic. They're vegan. This is buttered popcorn. This is one of my favorite flavors. You can find me on Etsy at littlepearlcosmetics.com. I always leave a link in my description box if you guys are curious. October Glossybox, and I have to say I'm really disappointed in this box. I don't feel like there's anything in here that I'm like, oh my god, about. Like, the only thing that I'm remotely even excited about is the rose toner and the nail polish. The hair mask, I mean, that's cool and all. The candle, I'm like, why? I like, it's not beauty. I'm not really happy with it. I would prefer to see that in a lifestyle box. Glossybox is supposed to be beauty. Can you guys stick to beauty? Because like, this box isn't even all that exciting. This hurt me. The scrunchies is cool. I mean, like, you know, if you like scrunchies, it's cute. I like the color. I like the velvet to it. But compared to last month's Glossybox, This box is not all that great. I mean, I'm sure there are some people out there who will really love it, but my personal opinion is the only two products in here that I'm remotely excited about is this toner and the nail polish. I would love to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.